Yo, so look, over the last year I've been a ghost, man. I ain't show my face on the tube. I ain't even show my face on the gram. But I still have my biggest year in business. So in this video, I'll be talking about exactly what I did using a formula called VSMME and how you can do it as well. Let's get it. Before I get into the formula, I want to talk a little bit about this channel and why I stopped uploading in the first place. So I started going hard with this channel May 2020 during the pandemic, and looking back, man, good times, dog, good times. Like, I ain't really know what I was doing, but I was having fun with it, you feel me? Like, I was trying out every side hustle you could think, like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, stock options, like you name a side hustle, I tried it. Go back to my channel, look at all my old videos, you'll see, like I tried damn near all the side hustles. And a lot of them didn't work out and I lost hella bread on, but I was showing y'all the journey every step of the way. And by me doing that and just being real with y'all, the channel grew extremely fast. I think in like 6 months, by like January 2021, I was at like 100K subscribers or something like that. But there was a problem. You see, the type of content I was making all these challenges, right? And for the challenges, you kind of had to start a whole new business from scratch every single time. And over time, I peeped like that just wasn't sustainable. I wanted something that I could work on long term. And I also didn't want my content to start getting repetitive because a lot of it was just the same things over and over again. Like, I didn't want to do 50 different affiliate marketing challenges, 100 different drop shipping challenges, talk to y'all about the same side hustles over and over again when I already showed y'all what it is. Like, it's just something in me. Like, I just can't sit here and give y'all the same information over and over again just for likes and views. So for the last year, I went ghost, but still been running it up behind the scenes. I ain't even gonna hold you though. Going ghost did affect this channel. Like, I did take a hit. The subscribers is down, the views is down, everything is down with this channel. I think we close to 250K on here, but if I would have kept going, we could have been like at a mill or something like that. But I don't regret it at all because it gave me the opportunity to be more focused. Because when I was on this channel posting all the time, I was trying out a bunch of different side hustles and I really wasn't making no real progress. Like, I was making progress on this channel, but not in a real business, right? So when I took the step away from YouTube, I focused all in on a business and it paid off. I went and got some real results with a business instead of just sitting here and talking all the time. And another powerful thing about going ghost is people can't destroy what they don't know. See, a lot of times we can't move in silence because we want the attention and we want to just brag about everything that we doing, not knowing that some people are preying on your downfall. Some people even be in secret competition with you and still be losing, you feel me? Like, some things are just better kept silent, you feel me? Sometimes you just gotta take a step back, go ghost, not tell nobody what you doing, what you planning, and just pop out with the results. Speaking of results, I'm about to hop into my computer right now and show y'all one of my faceless YouTube channels that brought in over 200K last year just from AdSense. All right, so I'm on one of my faceless YouTube channels right now. And as you can see, last year, 2023, we did 20 million views and over 200K in AdSense, you feel me? Let me go ahead and refresh it so you know everything is legit. And as you can see, everything stayed the same. So that's just one of my income streams last year, just from being behind the scenes. And that's just from one income stream. I also sold an Instagram theme page last year for 6 figures. We made like 250K in total off of that page in like 6 months. And I ain't tell a soul about it. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I'm gonna save those for a future video. Like, my next video, I'm gonna be breaking down that YouTube channel that y'all just seen. If y'all seen my last video, y'all know I started a YouTube automation channel, and that was that channel. That channel took off within the last year. In my next video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how I grew it step by step. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And I'll be talking about that Instagram theme page that I sold last year in a future video as well. But now, let's get into the formula, man. The formula to getting rich while staying low key, while being a ghost. The first letter is V and it stands for vision. Now, this applies to no matter what you do. Like, I don't care if you're starting another YouTube channel. I don't care if you're starting an Instagram theme page. I don't care if you go do drop shipping. I don't care what you do, man. You gotta have a vision for your brand. Because if not, good luck to you, my boy. Like, it's gonna be tough because you gotta realize people connect with people, right? And people trust people. So if you starting a brand that's faceless and you trying to go ghost, you gotta have a vision for your brand because people gonna be like, all right, cool. I don't really know who this is. I don't really know who this brand is ran by, but I like their vision for it. You feel me? I like what they doing with this brand. I like their vision. So people want to feel a part of something. So you got to give them a vision to look forward to. So to yourself, you got to be thinking like, where do I see this brand in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, and start moving accordingly. Before I went Ghost, I for sure had a vision for my brands. I knew exactly where I wanted to go and how I was going to get there. Second letter is S, and it stands for study the game. You gotta become a student of the game if you're gonna be successful. So if you're gonna start an Instagram theme page, study the pages in your niche that are killing the game. Study the game before you hop in. So let's say you're trying to start a fitness page, right? Study the top fitness pages, see what they're doing, see what posts are performing the best, see how they marketing, see they branding. Study the game. If you're gonna start a YouTube channel, right? A faceless channel. Look at some channels that you want to model after, see how they do their thumbnails, see how they title their videos, see how they edit their videos, study every little part of their game so you know exactly what makes them successful, because success leaves clues. So study the game, always be a student of the game. Even once you get going and once you get some motion, still study the game, never stop learning. Third step to the formula is motion. I want you to get active. So once you got a vision, you wrote down your vision. I actually want you to write down your vision. Like take some time, and this might take a day, 2 days, a week. Even if it take you a week, dog, just sit down, start to think to yourself, what kind of brand do I want to start? You feel me? Like, and start to write it down, start thinking on it for real, and take your time with this. And then once you got your vision written down, study the game. Once you study the game, hop in the game. It's time to get active. Now I personally recommend, if you want to go Ghost, you start with an Instagram theme page, because put it like this, right? An Instagram theme page, you don't need no money to start. All you need is a phone and Wi-Fi, dog. That's all you really need to start an Instagram theme page. And even if you want to do affiliate marketing, drop shipping, a YouTube channel, it can all be based off of that Instagram theme page. You start the Instagram theme page. This is what I've always done. Like even with this channel right here, I started an Instagram theme page first, and then I drove traffic to the channel. With that channel that I just showed y'all that we made 200K last year, I started an Instagram theme page first, and then we drove them to the channel. Like if you want to start a drop shipping store, start an Instagram theme page first. Like even if it's fitness, right? Start a fitness page, start a fitness drop shipping store. Once you get some followers on Instagram, that's how I personally always played it. And if you don't know what a theme page is, I got one of mine pulled up right now. It's called the Black Hustlers Club. And it was actually the name of this channel, but I done changed it to my name because it just made more sense. Like this channel was really just about my journey, me documenting different side hustles I done did and everything like that. So it just made more sense for me to change it to my name. But this brand isn't going nowhere. I done started a new channel for this brand. So go check it out if you want, and go follow this page. But as you can see, this one got 910K on it, and I'm into hustling and motivation, so I made a theme page around it. And we just give y'all daily motivation on this page, right? But your theme page could be whatever you want. Like if you into cooking, you could start a theme page on that. Fitness, you could start a theme page on that. Crypto, theme page. Whatever you're interested in, you could start a theme page on. And if you don't know how to grow one, I done made plenty of videos showing y'all how to grow a theme page. Go check out my channel. And in that future video I was talking about, where I'll be showing y'all how I sold that page, I'll be talking more about theme pages in that as well. The next step to the formula is M for monetize. So once you started your theme page, it's time to monetize. Now, to monetize an Instagram theme page is a couple different ways you could do it. Like earlier I was talking about affiliate marketing. You could do drop shipping. You could even just do promos. Now, promos is probably the easiest way to monetize an Instagram theme page. So once you get a decent amount of followers, people are gonna start hitting you up for promos. And now this is just where they pay you to post their content on your page. So they'll just send you a pic or a video and a caption, and you just throw it up on your page and you get paid for that. It's pretty simple. It's pretty much the easiest way to make money with Instagram theme pages. But like I said, it's a couple different ways. You can do affiliate marketing, drop shipping. You could do some freelancing. Like if you're good at editing, you can use your theme page to attract some editing clients. You could start a clothing brand as well. Like once you got a theme page, The opportunities are endless, man. That's why I recommend you guys to start with a theme page, because it's free to start as well. You don't need any money to start. You can just start on your phone, start posting content, start building it up, and then start making money. And the last step to the formula is E for expand. And my personal recommendation is expand to a YouTube automation channel. But once you start making money with your theme page, let's say you do some promos, right? And you saved up a couple bands, you can use that money to start you a YouTube automation channel. And your YouTube automation channel is going to be a reflection of your theme page, right? So let's say you started a fitness theme page, you could start you a fitness YouTube automation channel. And what I like to do is you could look at your best performing posts and just make YouTube videos out of those. I'm telling you, man, this is exactly what I be doing behind the scenes. And part of me don't even want to share this game with y'all because I know it's gonna create a lot of competition and everybody gonna be doing it, but it is what it is, dog. I gotta give y'all the game. I ain't talked to y'all in a year, dog. So, you know, I gotta come back with some sauce. Like, every time I go on break, like this isn't my first YouTube break. I done took a couple breaks, y'all know this, right? Every time I go on break, I be building Instagram theme pages, and the last year or so, I've been adding on the channels to go along with it. This is my exact formula. I'm telling you, this is exactly what I be doing. Just for y'all, man, I had to give y'all the game. And I'll be teaching the YouTube automation. Don't even worry about that in the next video. I'll be showing y'all exactly how to grow those channels and everything. Stay tuned, man, stay tuned. Yo, so I just want to throw this up in here just to say thank you for all the love and support over the last couple years. And I know some of y'all been watching me since I was recording in my mom's basement, man, like on God. So I just want to say thank y'all. That's why I give y'all all this game for free. I ain't got no courses to sell y'all or nothing like that right now. I just wanted to give y'all the game and just to say thank y'all. Like, I wouldn't be where I am today without y'all. And I know I wouldn't even be able to take breaks or build these channels or build these Instagram pages and everything else I'd be doing if it wasn't for y'all's support to begin with. So I appreciate y'all boys. And let this be your sign to go sometimes. You feel me? Like, over the last year, I done did a lot of learning, finding myself, building businesses, just behind the scenes. Like, you don't have to be in the spotlight all the time. Don't let YouTube or any platform make you feel like you gotta be on there 24/7 and you gotta sell your soul to the platform, because you become a slave to anything that you can't walk away from. Remember that, you become a slave to anything that you can't walk away from at any given moment. But if you found this video valuable, drop a like, drop a comment down below if you got any questions, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna chop it up with y'all next video. I'm out.